People always want to interact with facilities or electrical devices in a simple way. Devices like lights, air conditioners, audio and video equipment, computers, curtains, or other devices. HMI devices like digital displays are playing a more and more important role in prevalent human-machine interaction. TouchPAD is a brand new controller with an HMI display developed by ICP-DAS. It helps users control facilities or electrical devices in their factories or homes. To implement the human-machine interface, HMI, with touch sensor technology, the GUI tool is also required. ICP-DAS overcomes the disadvantage by providing HMIWorks, a dedicated development tool for TouchPAD, which provides plenty of widgets and templates. Conventional graphical user interface tools are difficult, and thus users have to invest a lot of effort, time, and money to learn and develop their own applications. It helps users to complete projects more easily than ever. TouchPAD can help users with remote monitoring. It can implement control based on data obtained from remote I/O accordingly. For example, in HVAC systems, when the monitored room temperature is higher than the preset level, TouchPAD will send a command to turn on the air conditioners and/or draw the curtains automatically. It will also send the command for turning off the air conditioners and/or drawing the curtains aside for cooling down the temperature.